Okay, we are on the home stretch. Everything looks pretty good except for these grid lines. Now, typically, I don't like grid lines. It would probably be better maybe just to remove them. Okay, so if I were to click again on this primary major horizontal grid line, okay, now they're just gone and I'm done. But grid lines wouldn't necessarily be out of place with these two box plots. It would be kind of hard to kind of see where this fourth quartile and first quartile, where those are exactly on this box plot far to the right, because of its distance away from this vertical axis. So we can go and add grid lines, primary, major, horizontal. But I wouldn't leave them as gray because, again, if you print, gray may not even show up in the printout. So if we left click on the grid line, you can see the grid lines are selected. And what I would do is I would make it a solid line, make it black, and let's see. And if we make it 1.5 point, but change it so that it's dashed. Let's try. Let's maybe make that, see if we make that a little smaller, 1 point. It looks a little too busy. Normally I just wouldn't even do grid lines, but as I'm trying these different options, if you go too small in the width, again, it may not even show up in a printout. Maybe something like that, 1/2 point, and then with this kind of long dash option. That doesn't seem to be too overpowering. So you could leave it like this if you wanted to, or just have no grid lines. That maybe looks a little cleaner. It's kind of a judgment call on that one. So either one of those two would be fine. Okay.